Hi children, welcome back. In the previous class, we were discussing about the division rule. Hope you all understood that. Today, we are going to learn about the power of powers. Can we write 64 as the power of a number? In many ways, we can write the power of this number, like 2 raised to 6, which is 64. Then 4 raised to 3 is again 64. Then 8 raised to 2 is also 64. Then 64 raised to 1 is 64. Just like this, we can write the powers of other numbers also. For example, 3 raised to 12. 3 raised to 12, we can split this number like 3 raised to 12 is equal to 3 raised to 6 into 3 raised to 6. 3 raised to 6 is 729. Again into 729. Here there are two 729, so we can write it as 729 raised to 2. There is another way of writing 3 raised to 12. 3 raised to 12 is equal to 3 raised to 8 into 3 raised to 4. We can split the 3 raised to 8 as 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4 and the remaining 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4 is 81, then into 3 raised to 4, 81 into 81. Here there are 3 81, so 81 raised to 3. Another way, 3 raised to 12 is equal to 3 raised to 6 into 3 raised to 6. Again, we can split the 3 raised to 6 as 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 3. Then again 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 3. Here 3 raised to 3 is 27. So 27 into 27 into again 27 into 27. Here there are 4 27. So 27 raised to 4. In this, what does 3 raised to 6 into 3 raised to 6 means? It is a product of 2 3 raised to 6. Right. So, we can shorten it as 3 raised to 6, the whole raised to 2. Okay. So, what is 3 raised to 6, the whole raised to 2? It's equal to 3 raised to 6 into 3 raised to 6, which is equal to 3 raised to 6 plus 6 or 3 raised to 6 into 2, which is equal to 3 raised to 12. Similarly, we can write 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4 as 3 raised to 4 the whole raised to 3. So, 3 raised to 4 the whole raised to 3 is equal to 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4, which is equal to 3 raised to 4 plus 4 plus 4. We can write it as 3 raised to 4 into 3, that is 3 raised to 12. In general, for any number x and for any natural numbers m and n, then x raised to m the whole raised to n is equal to x raised to m into x raised to m into x raised to m, etc. x raised to m for all n times. That is equal to x raised to m plus m, etc. up to m n times, which is equal to x raised to m n. That is, x raised to m the whole raised to n is equal to x raised to mn for any number x and any natural numbers m and n. Using this idea, let's do some problems. 4 raised to 2 the whole raised to 3, which is equal to 4 raised to 2 into 3. 4 raised to 2 into 3 is 4 raised to 6. Second question, 1 by 2 the whole raised to 3, again the whole raised to 4, which is equal to 1 by 2 the whole raised to 3 into 4. 1 by 2 the whole raised to 3 into 4 is 1 by 2 the whole raised to 12. Next question, write each of these as powers of different numbers. First question is 3 raised to 8. We can split 3 raised to 8 as 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4 is 81 into 81. Here there are two 81s, so 81 raised to 2. Again we can split 3 raised to 8 as 3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 2. So 3 raised to 2 is 9. So 9 into 9 into 9 into 9. Here there are 4 9s, that is 9 raised to 4. Like this, try to do these questions in your textbook page number 64. That's all for today. Thank you.